So hi guys, welcome to another episode. So today, being the 29th August, I want just to do a review on day trading, on what I'm looking at. Disclaimer also, this is for advanced ICT traders. So basically, if you are a beginner, please go check out ICT on YouTube and check his content. Yeah, so let's dig in. So today is Thursday. So USD per element GDP is out. So basically what I'm seeing is a 3% improvement from the previous forecast. So it's a gain of probably 0.2, which is good for the currency. However, that is what fueled, I think, the DXY gains on that news. So this is dollar DX. This is dollar or dollar index or DXY. So I just want to point out, especially now because we are closing the month. So I've revisited my IPDA data ranges, and what I can see and note is probably we have attacked all sell sides, and especially now that we have come into this sell side area that we ticked, that we are noting from the previous videos. So anyway, what I'm thinking generally, maybe in a short-term, long-term perspective, especially now the daily and the GDP news that came out today, and also what will NFP will do probably next week. So anyway, the general feel is probably we might have some gains a little bit to fair value, maybe to this breaker. But nevertheless, I like being a day trader. So today I'm looking at this, and my system of marking PDRA is very systematical. I like just using the current marking pricing level. So currently I'd had this OB because I revisited it today. So I had this OB, which is a bearish one. I'm looking at PDRA. So and below me, I could still use this OB if I wanted, if I had a general feel of using this PDRA. But nevertheless, remember you're also incorporating power 3. So when I go to power 3, and now looking at what today I'm thinking. So today I'm thinking probably some weakness. Out of that news, I think some weakness to revisit this range, and especially a target of somewhere to here. So what does it mean for EU and GU? Probably buys on it, and also probably fill this BC as we wait tomorrow for more news on the PCE. But anyway, that's the feel I'm looking for DXY. So anyway, let's go to EU. So EU, I won't explain that much, but I'll just go to daily. So currently, above marking, below marking price, current market price, I have this BC. And also, I could have identified also this BC right here. However much is still above, but at that particular moment, as your day was beginning, this could have a potential BC for you. So nevertheless, if you go to 1 hour, what I'm thinking is probably some buys. At least to fill today's range. And probably back to fill some ranges on this as our day-to-day setup, day trading setup. Especially good targets will be here this high, or 50% of if I'm to mark, probably 50% of this range will be ideal for the buys right there. So let's dig into GU also. So with GU, I'll go to daily. Sorry about that. So I'll go to daily. So with daily below, I have this BC. Above me, if I could be marking, probably I could be using this bearish OB. But nevertheless, I could split it to H12 and see what I could use on this range if market pricing was there. So on power 3, what I'm looking at today is probably buys, especially now, London close kill zone, and that is about to start in the next 1 hour. And right currently now we have New York kill zone participating. So what I'm thinking is probably for this, I'm taking probably to drop to M30. So what I'm thinking is probably some good buys, very small targets on it. Back to, because remember PO3, I like using the open of the day. Michael explains you can use the 12 a.m. US open, which is the original one. So anyway, whichever you prefer. For me, I like this. So currently what I'm thinking is probably buys to gains. Always there's still a potential for stops out and good buys. But for this, I'm thinking because there's no news, probably these buys will just continue, maybe. But very short ones, that's what I'm thinking for today's setup. Potentially, probably could rate this high. But once we get to this area, it's probably good targets to take out your profits. So yeah, let's see what the market will do.